What's up guys, welcome back. I know it has been a long time, but today we are finally doing some mods on the BT50. Now, if you didn't see the little video I put up the other day on my Instagram and all that sort of stuff, I am already going to be modifying the brand new BT50, which I'm super stoked on. So, quick rundown, we've got a 3-inch lift, Dobinson's remote res, 2-inch rear, 3-inch front. Because we're doing the 3-inch front, it has upper control arms, diff drop, extended shackles, all that sort of stuff. PDW Beasts are my wheels of choice with 33-inch tires. I absolutely love that wheel. I think it looks sick, and on that I think it's going to look next level. Now, I do need to wash the car. It is filthy, so thankfully over the years I've acquired pretty well a Bowden's own shop worth of gear. So I'm going to give this thing a clean because it is absolutely filthy, and you know, there's no benefit to working on a dirty car. So I'm going to go clean that, and then finally we'll be able to make this thing look complete, because at the moment dark tint and just a UHF, it just looks a bit weird. So once it's lifted on wheels, I think it'll look a whole lot better. If you haven't noticed, I am in a shed. We did move houses, so our old place, as nice as it was, it was riddled with a bad story from the get-go. It took over 3 years to get built. Yeah, the builder was a nightmare. Anyway, we wanted to close that chapter and start a new one, and that just so happens to mean that I have a shed, which I'm stoked on. I do actually plan on extending it further out this way, but that will come with time. But anyway, if you guys want a little sneak peek, new mod for the GTR, we have a top secret, fully adjustable carbon deck spoiler. This is the most expensive singular mod I think I have bought. The wing is five grand, I think, 6 grand. The whole lift kit, including diff drop, everything wasn't even that much. So yeah, coming soon. I just need to get that to Kobe at CMP Wraps and get that wrapped purple. But that's enough talking. Let's wash the BT and take it to my mates this afternoon to start the lift. I might be actually doing some Raptor lining. I have to wait and see, but yeah, it needs it because one, it is just so unbelievably bright right now that it is literally blinding me, but I want this done. Anyway, right, snow foam, we're gonna go snow job because I have that many liters of it to use. What do we got? Dirty Times, that probably could use that, but that's better for like salt removal, so I'll save it for once I've gone to the beach. I will use what is left of my Afterglow. We'll go the big sponge, and the rest doesn't matter too much because I have it up in the garage. So sweet, everything else will be mint. We'll go drive it up and get this thing clean. Just like that, we have a brand new BT50 again. Now, I didn't worry too much about the wheels or the inside of the tub because that's going to get the wheels put in it, and they're obviously getting taken off, so it doesn't matter too much. But I'm going to go down to the shed now and vacuum it out so I can put my new floor mats in, and she will be mint and ready to go. Alrighty, so BT is on the lift. I would have recorded earlier, but I left the camera in there. But look how brand spanking new this thing is. The whole way underneath. It's almost like it's a new car or something. But if you've ever wondered what it looks like, there it is. Very satisfying to see. All except this. Soooo, what are you doing? Alrighty, so passenger side in the rear, the leaf spring is now in. Just have to put the shock, and the rear is pretty well buttoned up. We've done the passenger side a lot quicker than this one, and sadly for you guys, I forgot to film, but I actually tested and put a wheel on just to have a look, and it looks so bloody good. I am, yeah, stoked. I definitely made the right call. The fronts, I also tested it, but it's still stock height, and it looks a little bit like it's gonna scrub. So hopefully once the lift is in and everything's all sorted, it doesn't, but yeah, fingers crossed. But we're going good. It's been a couple hours now. We will be finishing it tomorrow in the morning, or tomorrow at some point. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. We are going good. Alrighty, next morning we are here. Matt got a little head start. This is all you get to see. Wheels are on, back is completely done. So up control arms are in. We just need to grease them now. The right hand side is on, driver's side. We simply just need to refasten brake lines and stuff like that. Hook this up, hook that up, wheel on, good to go. Doing the other side. So I'm going to pre-assemble all the strut stuff now and like the reservoir mount, if you will. And yeah, obviously need to tighten that one up, and I'm going to pre-assemble the other one. Then we're moving good. We're moving good. Alrighty, this is the moment of truth. I actually have to step back because it's so bloody big. It is all done. Everything is buttoned up, greased, good to go. So now is the time that we put this thing on the ground for the first time, and then we will make our adjustments based off that. That's it. That's pretty big. That's bloody good. That is very good. So our little bit of concern is just here, but wow, that looks wicked. Job well done. Nice work, Matt. Oh, that looks sick. All right, I'm turning the camera off and I'm gonna geek about it. All right, this will be our first time seeing it rolling and putting it outside in the sun where we can see the silver and everything pop. Oh man, that looks so good. That has given it an entire new presence. Holy, that looks so good. Alrighty, so we've taken the side steps off now, which I feel like I don't think I showed you guys, but you'll have to wait for that. It just contacts the bottom of this at full lock, so we're just gonna, well, Matt is gonna trim this down nice and neat so you can't really tell from the front, but then we'll have no contact. We don't hit it all on the rear, but yeah, this thing just looks friggin' huge compared to what it was. And obviously it hasn't had an alignment yet, but yeah, not too much poke. Tiny little bit on the rear, nothing on the front. Yeah, this looks bloody killer. And just like that, she is complete. A very huge thank you to Matt, my good buddy, because he is a genius and I'm not. But we have got this thing completely mint. Just went for a test drive and flexed it up absolutely at its max. This wheel was fully tucking. I did take some photos, but I didn't bring my camera, so I'll put some cameras on the screen here. And now that you've seen those great photos, just have a look at this thing. Absolutely sick. R33, nice. But yeah, I'm so stoked on this thing. I have some goodies coming from PDW, the wheel company, and you'll have to stay tuned for that, but shout out to them, PDW, because one, these wheels look sick and they're hooking me up with some goodies, so shout out to them. But yeah, man, this looks so much better than I could have ever imagined. Now, again, quick recap, we've got upper control arms, diff drop, 3-inch front lift, 2-inch rear. That's everything, isn't it? I think so. And yeah, I need to do some investigating, some research on pros and cons of the sway bar being taken out for off-road use, of course, just like my tid. But yeah, we'll see, because when we flexed it up, the front is very stiff. The front doesn't like flexing as much as the rear. The rear is a little flex machine, but we'll work on that and have a look. But yeah, this thing is better than I thought it was going to be. It looks a bit lower in the front at the moment because of the block, but when it's on flat like a driveway, yeah, it looks killer. So that is it for this video. Huge shout out again to Matt for helping me, and yeah, this is the start of plenty of off-road journeys in the BT. So next we'll have snorkel, tub rack, rooftop tent. So that's what's next, but for now that's it for this video. I might put a little montage of how good this thing looks, but thank you for watching. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Is this for you, or are you a no, just kidding, I can't say that. But let me know, do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments. And everyone comment hello brick. Alright, see you guys later. Peace. We have changed our mind. We aren't done. We have both decided, for the greater good of the YouTube people, we all want to see flex. That's why we do four-wheel driving. So we're taking the sway bar out again just for off-road use. I'm trailering at home and everywhere else. So the sway bar's coming out, and yeah, we're gonna turn this thing into a flex machine. So yeah, we'll get to that now. Although the sun is coming down, so I don't know how much I'll be able to pick up after we're done, but yeah, we're gonna do that. Might have to give you a little video of it flexing somewhere tomorrow, or I don't know, we'll see. I can't get an alignment this weekend, and I fly to work Monday morning super early, so I won't be able to put it to the test too much until I get back from work in 2 weeks time, but you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. But again, thank you for watching, and if you see something after this, excellent. If not, be sure to smash that like button. See you later. Peace.